Now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz gold level choreography with teaching count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, we achieve promenade position, preparation, and we start to dance running weave from promenade position, which consists of 2 bars. Second bar is side cross. Then we dance quick open reverse turn, followed by left whisk. From here we dance open impetus and chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start facing diagonally to wall. We prepare promenade position and move diagonally to center with running weave from promenade position, 2 bars, second bar is side cross. Then we dance down line of dance with quick open reverse turn, down line of dance left whisk. From here we dance open impetus, finishing diagonally to center, and then chasse from promenade position, finishing diagonally to wall into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.